Ever wondered if you can magically slide your GameStop gift card right into your Apple Wallet for super convenient spending? Let's get straight to the point. Unfortunately, the short answer is no. You cannot directly add a GameStop gift card to your Apple Wallet as you would a credit or debit card. Apple Wallet is designed for payment cards, loyalty cards that have specific digital integration, and transit passes. GameStop gift cards in their physical or standard digital form don't have the necessary digital handshake with Apple Wallet to be added. Think of it like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It just doesn't quite work that way. So what can you do with your GameStop gift card? The most straightforward approach is to use it directly for purchases. Head over to the GameStop website online and enter your gift card details at checkout. Or take it with you to your local GameStop store and present it to the cashier during your next purchase. It's perfect for snagging that new game, your favorite collectibles, or anything else you have your eye on. Now, if you're really keen on digitizing your gift card information, you might explore third-party apps. Some apps are designed to help you store and manage various gift cards. Though they won't integrate with Apple Wallet for payments, you typically enter the gift card number and PIN into these apps for your reference. For now, the best bet for your GameStop gift card is direct use at GameStop. Happy gaming and happy spending!